of Azimio leadership since last Sunday. This has been a meeting of Azimio leadership to deliberate further on the development since last Sunday. The meeting reiterated our commitment to the envisaged dialogue between the parties. It further reiterated our determination to see all our core issues on the table as follows. 1. Addressing the cost of living. This meeting agreed that high cost of living is urgent and can't wait. 2. Audit of the servers. This meeting agreed that auditing the 2022 election servers is necessary and urgent. And here we add that we require forensic